Welcome back to 5 Minute Summaries. Today we will be dealing with the poem Buffalo Bills. Buffalo Bills is a poem by Edward Estlin Cummings or E. E. Cummings. First of all, let's read the poem. Buffalo Bills defunct, who used to ride a water-smooth silver stallion and break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigeons just like that. Jesus, he was a handsome man. And what I want to know is, how do you like your blue-eyed boy, Mr. Death? So now let's begin the analysis. E. Cummings was an American painter and poet. His poems are very different in its style, and even he loves to write his name in small letters, like the first E and the next E. E. Cummings. In that E, both he loved to be written in small letters. Coming to the poem, you can see that the poem is written in free verse. Buffalo Bills defunct. Defunct means the passing away or death. So we are going to talk of a person named Buffalo Bill. Actually, it's considered as a representation of the original historic character Buffalo Bill Cody, but this is not something that is written in praise of him, but we will feel that this is written in praise of him. The original Buffalo Bill Cody, he was a hunter, soldier, and a showman, and he was engaged in some sort of business as well. He used to ride a water-smooth silver stallion. That's his specialty. He used to ride a smooth silver stallion, male stallion, and break 1, 2, 3, 4 pigeons just like that, Jesus. He used to hunt birds, and he was a handsome man. And what I want to know is, how do you like your blue-eyed boy, Mr. Death? So he is someone who is bringing death, and he believes that he is very powerful, but at last what happens is he himself has to surrender to death. There are many literary devices in this poem, like assonance, alliteration, consonance, enchantment, and irony. How do you like your blue-eyed boy? There you have the O sound, which is repeated. And then there is consonants. Consonants means repetition of consonant sounds. What I want, V sound is repeated. And there also you have T sound repeated. T, what, and want. Then you can see that there is no fixed format in this. And whatever is written in praise of Buffalo Bill is actually something that is used to mock him. So you can see that there are a lot of ironic elements in the poem. Overall, we can see that what the poem wants to tell us is that life is no escape, and everyone has to face death. That's the main theme in this poem. Though this is a very small poem written in free verse, you can see that it gives you lots of images. The image of hunting, then being like a soldier, and you have male stallions, pigeons, buffaloes. All these images are there, animal imageries are there in this poem, and you get very many imageries in this poem. That's all for now. Thank you.